As I was saying, rice is a whole grain, and whole grain is it is harder to break down whole grains. So they're more likely to stay inside the body than it would be if I ate, especially white rice. If I ate like a brown rice, it would digest more quickly because it's not at all mixed in with anything. It doesn't have any so if I want to gain weight, what I would do is like, okay, so this is one serving of rice because they say a handful, right? So a handful is just this amount. So if I add more rice, I'm going to be adding fat. So my fat tends to go around my mid waist. My fat tends to go around my mid waist. So then I have my broccoli. These are just for my greens. And then I'll go ahead. Okay. So I'm going to pour all of it in here. And then I'm going to eat as much as I can. So look, if you eat like this much food, but then you don't, but you do eat again, like the same amount of food, that is exactly how you gain weight. However, if this is my only meal for the day, I'm only going to gain like 1 pound. If I have this meal again today, let me show you my plate. I'm going to take it to the table. Okay, so I was becoming a fitness instructor and I did take a nutrition course to become a fitness instructor. However, I did not continue it. So this is why I'm able to, give you guys a little bit of insight on what I know about nutrition. I did meal prepping and everything like that. So look, this is my plate. If I decide that I want to eat again today and I eat the same amount, then I will gain weight. I will put on weight. And the weight will go to good places, but if I want to stay the same size, then I'll just have one meal. And it's called intermediate fasting. So I'm going to give thanks and then I'm going to try it. Okay,